In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to make this super simple origami pinwheel that has a magical square. So if you turn the model over, it disappears, but then when you turn out the lights and then shine a light from behind, it reappears like that. And I'm going to show you guys how to fold it. Alright, here we go. Okay, so I'm going to use a 6-inch square of kami, but you could use a sheet of paper cut square. So begin with the white side up, and let's fold in half, both ways. Alright, and then now fold, we're estimating thirds, so this is equal to that. You can just eyeball it. Alright, and then now take this edge and fold it to this edge. And now fold on that point where the crease hits the edge. Alright, and then do it again. Alright, now pinch the corner right here. And then do that with the remaining 3. Alright, and flatten. And there it is, the magic pinwheel. So it's a big fat pinwheel, and so if you turn the model over, the square disappears, but then shine a light behind, it reappears like that. Alright, well, make sure you subscribe, and I'll see you guys later. Alright, bye-bye.